today we are at Tavolo Park in Fort Worth. It's just on the south side of town, right off the Chisolm Trail Tollroad, so it's super easy to get to downtown Fort Worth, like maybe under 10 minutes. And it has a great K-12 charter school right in the middle of the neighborhood. While we're here, I also wanted to point out that within this community, besides having a K-12 charter school, there's also a 55 plus active community called Ladera. It's also new construction, it's gated, has like pickleball courts and a community center. It's a really great community. So this is a Highland home, the model home here in Tavolo Park. And I thought we would go check it out so you can kind of see and compare the differences between the houses. All right, here we go. Highland really is one of my favorites in this price point. Alright, I love that they have like high ceilings. This is the one-story floor plan, so the ceilings are really high. This door is going to the garage, but it's the sales center right now. Alright, so first to the left, we've got bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. If you're unfamiliar with model homes, they generally kind of go all out on the design and the like interior decorating. All right, so we got laundry room, media room, half bath. So one of the things I love about Highland Homes in this neighborhood is they all have this like built-in thing that is gorgeous. All right, dining room, and then, oh, actually this one has an office. Look at that. So it's got a media room and an office and 3 bedrooms and a 1-story home. How cool is that? Like I said, tons of extra design stuff. Kitchen, gas, stove. Nice big patio. Yards here are pretty small, which is great if you don't want to take care of a lot of grass, but there's plenty of space for a dog or a hot tub or a small pool or play set or something like that. Some of the yards are bigger than others, but most of them run about that size. We've got primary bedroom, bathroom. So it's got a tub and a shower, double vanity, and a great big old closet. What do you think? So we were just in a Highland home and saw the model, and I really wanted to show you one of the specs that they just completed. This one is really, really cool, and it's in the 700s. Has a 3-car tandem garage, 4 bedrooms. It's a 2-story, so it's a much different house, and it's new construction, not a model, so it's not staged or anything like that, but it's so, so pretty, and it's such a great deal. I just can't even handle it. So let's go in and see this one. All right, so look at this entry, y'all. It's so tall. Beautiful entry. Okay, and then, so we come off to the first, there's this bedroom with a big closet and a full bathroom. And one of the things I love about this, I want to point out about this Highland home, is that there is a closet right here. I love that it kind of blocks you from the front. I don't know, I love a bedroom that doesn't have a ton of access to the front. Just a personal opinion. So you've got study here, or you could use it as a dining room if you don't need to study. Look, I love this with a wine fridge. Dining area, stunning kitchen. Y'all look at this. I love it. And then double ovens. Pantry. I mean, is this not beautiful or what? And then you have got living area. Okay, so fireplace. Let's go through here. Got a little closet there, and this is the primary bedroom. Beautiful high ceilings. Tub, shower, double vanity that's separate, love that. And then much bigger closet. I mean, y'all, do you not love this? What? Then we've got a nice big patio, yard out there. All right, let's go upstairs and see. Oh, also 3-car tandem garage. Don't want to miss the laundry room. Half bath there, little mudroom area, and a really big laundry room. And we've got 3-car tandem garage. So that's also nice. All right, one of the things I love about Highland Homes is I just like their construction is really good. I hear great things about their warranty. They really take care of their people. So we got a game room with a little bar up here, closets, and then a media room too. This house has everything. And in the 700s, I can't even. Bedroom, look how big this thing is. Full bath with another closet. And then another big old bedroom with its own bathroom. What? Okay, y'all, so this house has 4.5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, game room, media room, and it's beautiful. Okay, somebody buy this house. Okay, we are gonna look at one more Highland home. This is in the 800s, super, super gorgeous. And it is on a little bit larger lot than that last one. And it is so pretty. I just went and saw, but I'm seeing the upstairs with you, so we're gonna both be surprised together. Let's go see. Oh, look how pretty this front elevation is. True 3-car garage. Look at these beautiful front doors. I love this. All right, so right here, right off to the front, we have an office that has closing doors. Always a plus. Y'all, look at this beautiful staircase. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, right off of here is that 1st-car garage. And a closet. Then we've got kitchen, double oven. There we go, that's a little better. So you can see, okay, so big like dining area, another wine fridge. You can see this lot is a little bit bigger. So this yard is a little bit bigger than those other ones that we've seen. Can we back up? Because you're gonna love this fireplace. Look how pretty that is. And they went all the way up. No cutting corners. Doing that half wall thing. All right, so half bath right here. Beautiful big windows in this master. It's so big. Okay, so this one is the closet over here. Y'all know I live in a 60s house. I want a big closet one day, but I do love my old house. All right, so vanity, 2 sinks, master. Let's go downstairs and see, or the rest of the downstairs and see. Whoa, look at this closet, y'all. How fun. Can you imagine the kids coming down here in this big staircase? I love it. It's so fun. Okay. Ooh, a big media room. Then we've got another bedroom here with a full bath. And then this way. Wow, look at this laundry room, how pretty it is with the sink in the window. I could do some laundry in there. And then the 2-car garage, and it's very deep, so you could put your Texas Suburban or truck in there. Let's go see upstairs. I didn't take my shoes off this time, so y'all can hear me clip-clopping. Look at this pretty carpet. Then wood floor at the top. Big game room. Let's go this way first. Whoa, okay, full bath. Y'all, look how big this room is. Man, I love this house. Closet. Half bath. Full bath. And another big, giant room with a huge closet. Man, this is so huge, y'all. And it's in the 800s. Can you even believe that? All right, let's go see what's over here. As if we didn't see enough. And another bedroom with a bathroom. Okay, so how many bathrooms was that? What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 bathrooms. Actually, I think there might have been 2 half baths. Okay, so we're gonna do a recap of this one because it is so gorgeous and it's in the low 800s. It's unbelievable. 5 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, this gorgeous fireplace, this beautiful kitchen. We've got office, media room, game room. I mean, y'all, it has everything and it's right off the Chisolm Toll Road. I mean, this house has everything.